Chapter 10. The Tenses. Let's warm up initiative and self-direction. Cross the pictures that are used in past. Let's observe analytical skills. Look and read. Past, before, some, time. Present, now. Future, after, some, time. Was, is, will. What do you observe? Observe the position of the aeroplane in the given pictures according to its time schedule. Let's learn conceptual learning. The position of aeroplane indicates the time of an action, and this time of action is called tense. We learned that there are three kinds of tenses: 1. Present tense, 2. Past tense, 3. Future tense. Present tense usually expresses actions in the present time. Past tense usually expresses actions in the earlier time. Future tense expresses actions that will continue for a period of time. Look at the simple present tense, the simple past tense, and the simple future tense forms of the verbs be. Simple present tense. Simple past tense. Simple future tense. I am, I was, I, we. Shall be. We will be, are, we were. You are, you were, you. He, she, it. They are, they were. They. He, she, it is he, she, it was, will be. Have. Simple present perfect tense. Simple past perfect tense. Simple future perfect tense. I have. We have. You have. He, she, it has. They have. I, we, you. He, she, it. They had. I, we. Shall have. Will have. You. He, she, it. They will have. Shall, will, be, have. Normally, we use shall and shall have only with I and we. We can say I shall or I will, we shall or we will. Examples: A. I shall be at school by Monday. B. I will be at school by Monday. C. We shall have some food. D. We will have some food. Grammar link: will and going to are commonly used to form future form of sentences. Simple present tense. Read the following sentences. I go to school every day. We do our homework in the evening. The verbs given in the alongside sentences are in the simple present tense. The simple present tense expresses an action that goes on every day, forming simple present tense. 1. We use the first or base form of the verb with first person, second person, and third person of plural subjects: I, we, you, they, and all other plural subjects. Examples: A. We do. B. I write. C. You sleep. D. Girls dance. E. They swim. 2. We add s or es to the first or base form of the verb with third person singular subjects: he, she, it, and all other singular subjects. Examples: A. She writes. B. He does. C. Ria sleep. D. Joy plays. E. She dances. Adding ses Most verbs add s to the root form. Bring, brings. Make, makes. Verbs ending in consonant plus yy is reply, replies. Fly, flies. Verbs ending in vowel plus y add pes. Stay, stays. Play, plays. Verbs ending in pes, z, ch, sh or x, do, does. Wash, washes. Watch, watches. Present, continuous, tense. A. I am writing a story. B. Rinku is reading a letter. C. We are playing table tennis. The verbs in these sentences are in the present continuous tense. It expresses an action that is going on, an action that is progressive at the time of speaking. Forming present continuous tense. We use noun pronoun plus is rm plus ing form of the verb. Examples: A. I am writing. B. He is reading. C. They are playing. D. We are quarreling. Adding ing to the verb. Normally we add ing to the base form of the verb, play playing, bring bringing. If a verb ends in e, we drop this e, make making, write writing. In the case of verbs ending in ie, we change the ie to y, lie lying, die dying, tie tying. In the case of some verbs, the last letter is doubled, sit sitting, swim swimming. Present perfect tense. A. Ramit has bought a new toy car. B. I have already forwarded the resume. The verbs in these sentences are in the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense actually suggests the past time. We use the present perfect tense when actions are linked to the present. Forming the present perfect tense. We use subject plus has have plus past participle form of the verb. A. He has bought. B. You have forwarded. We often use words like already and just with the present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. A. She has been suffering from fever for 4 days. B. The patient has been crying with pain since evening. The verbs in these sentences are in the present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to speak about started in the past and continuing in the present. Forming the present perfect continuous tense. We use subject plus has have plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing. A. She has been writing. B. We have been playing. C. Bharti has been living here since 2000. We often use words for and since with present perfect continuous tense. Literacy skills. Let's read. Circle the correct form of the verbs to complete this part of the story. Now, read it aloud. Sarah loves exploring the forest. Today, she is walking walks beneath the tall trees, marveling at nature's beauty. Along her journey, she has discovered rare flowers and spotted elusive wildlife. As she has been following a winding trail, she is noticing a mysterious cave. Curiosity takes over, and she enters cautiously. Inside, she has found ancient drawings and feels an inexplicable connection. This moment has been shaping her perspective on life. Sarah's adventures is continue, and with each new experience, she is gains profound wisdom.